Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I am sharing with you a spread for winter plant care. I started off with 4 boxes, one for daily, weekly, monthly, and other tasks to keep in mind. I used green colors and floral washi tape to decorate the page. You can also use houseplant stickers like these I found on eBay. For the main part of the spread, I listed out things I do daily, like turn on the humidifier. And weekly to-do items, like water plants, but only if they need it. Monthly to-do items include fertilizing, only if there's new growth, like in these plants. BuJo's Tropicals suggests to wipe down leaves with a horticultural treatment like so. Finally, before it gets too cold, I'm planting all the water propagations that are ready. And this is what the spread looks like, so I can refer to it all winter long. Thank you so much for watching. Huge shout out to BuJo's for the advice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.